Welcome to part 2 of the self-service tutorial, the statement versus the balance views on self-service. One of the most frequent requests in the Office of Financial Aid and Student Accounts is, may I please have an itemized copy of my student account balance? And the answer is, you sure can, 24 hours a day from your self-service account portal. When you log in to self-service, one of the tabs is labeled Finances. This is where you'll find everything related to your account balance and your financial aid. You will notice there are 4 views on the Finances tab: Balance, e-payment, Statement, and Financial Aid. We're going to start by exploring the Statement tab. If you have a balance on your account, once a month, you will receive a statement from the Student Accounts Office. The statement is a snapshot in time and is only as good as the date that appears in the upper right-hand corner. The most recent statement you have received typically appears when you enter this view. You can view every statement you have received in the customization area on the left-hand side of the screen. Simply choose the statement you wish to see and click on the View button. This is also where you can print a paper copy of the statement if that's something you would like to have. Remember though, your statement is not your real-time view of your account. For that, you'll need to click on the second view we are discussing in this video, the Balance view. The Balance view is your real-time window into your account. Here you can see changes to your account the second they happen. This view takes a little getting used to, and customization is the key to making it make sense. When you first enter, you are looking at a summary of all the charges and receipts you have received since you arrived at Southwestern. To experience the power of this view, you need to do a little customizing. Customization options in self-service are always found on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can see that the period drop-down says All, and the view has Balance Summary selected. Look what happens when I change the period to the Fall 2020 semester and the view to Detail by Charges Credits, and then click on the Change button. Now my screen changes to an itemized summary of all the charges that have hit my account in date order for the fall term. This new display also allows me to see credits and payments that have been made to my account for the selected term, as well as anticipated financial aid that is ready but hasn't been activated yet. As you can see, our sample student has made no payments and has received no financial aid. Furthermore, there is no anticipated aid on her account. This should inspire our student to look at yet another menu option on the Finances tab to see what is wrong, the Financial Aid option. Lucky for you, there's another video, part 3 of this series, dedicated to showing you the parts of the financial aid option and what to look for to ensure your financial aid is ready. I hope you give it a listen.